Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both options and let's start with a code. So we have to first of all open the keypad and then let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me go back and let me show you another way by using the settings. So let's enter them, and here in this left section we have to swipe to the very bottom in order to tap on About Tablet. Now let's tap on the status information here, and as you can see we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So basically that's all. This is how to check both IMEI numbers using two different ways in your Blackview Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.